The recently fired director of the CDC opened up today at a Senate hearing about her differences with her ex-boss.
Susan Monarez says she was let go for refusing to bow to pressure from Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
Caitlin Huey-Burns has the details.
Former CDC Director Susan Monarez says she was fired after refusing HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s request to dismiss career officials and rubber stamp vaccine recommendations.
He just wanted blanket approval.
Okay.
And if I could not commit to approval of each and every one of the recommendations that would be forthcoming, I needed to resign.
She disputed what Kennedy told Congress earlier this month.
I told her that she had to resign because I asked her, are you a trustworthy person? And she said no.
Did you tell the secretary you were untrustworthy?
He told me he could not trust me because I had shared information related to our conversation beyond his staff. I told him, if you cannot trust me, then you can fire me.
Monarez, who had been on the job for just a month, also said Kennedy disparaged the organization.
He said that CDC employees were killing children and they don't care.
Monarez's testimony comes as a key vaccine advisory panel, whose members have been handpicked by Kennedy, is slated to meet tomorrow to discuss a range of recommendations, including some vaccines for children.
He said that the childhood vaccine schedule would be changing starting in September, and I needed to be on board with it.
Did he ever suggest that that he was speaking for the president?
He had spoken to the president. He spoke to the president every day about changing the childhood vaccine schedule.
Caitlin, what was the response from HHS to today's testimony?
Well, a spokesperson for HHS told us that they disputed Monarez's testimony, but also that any changes to the childhood vaccine schedule would be, quote, based on the latest available science.
And Caitlin, what about that vaccine panel meeting for tomorrow? What should we expect there?
Well, this panel will meet tomorrow and Friday. They'll give recommendations for things like the COVID-19 vaccine, as well as several childhood vaccines. But notably, the chairman of today's committee, Senator Bill Cassidy of Louisiana, he's also a physician. He has called for that committee's work to be suspended upon further oversight and review, and said that any recommendations coming out from that panel should be rejected.